I am the division sign. Do you know me real name? Make sure to watch until the end so you will know my real name.
Hello wizards, welcome back to MathWiz. For today's tutorial, we'll talk about polynomials. But before that, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. And let's start. First, let us know the meaning of a polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression that has coefficient, variable, constant, and exponent. And what is a coefficient? A coefficient is a number multiplied by a variable. In this example, 4x plus y, our coefficient is the number beside a variable, which is the number 4. So, what is a variable? A variable is a symbol that is usually a letter. And this is an example of a variable. 4x minus y. Our variable here is x. In our second example, 7m minus 5, our variable is m. The next term is constant. A constant is a term in an algebraic expression that has a value that is constant or cannot change. And this can be represented by a number or a letter. For our example, 4x minus 7. Our constant here is negative 7. And in our second example, 7m minus n, our constant is negative n. And now, what is an exponent? An exponent is a symbol written above to the right of a mathematical expression to indicate the operation of raising to a power. Here is an example of an exponent. 4x squared minus 7. Our exponent here is the number 2 above x. Our second example is m raised to 4 plus n. Our exponent here is 4. The next topic we are about to tackle is the different types of a polynomial. The first type of a polynomial is monomial. It is a polynomial that has only one term. Here are the examples of a monomial. The next type is binomial. It is a polynomial that has two terms. Here is an example. In our example, 7x squared minus 14, our terms are 7x squared and negative 14. Here are other examples of a binomial. The third type of a polynomial is trinomial. It is a polynomial that has three terms. In this example, 4a squared plus 7b minus c, our terms are 4a squared, 7b, and negative c. Here are other examples of a trinomial. The last type is polynomial. It has 4 or more terms. Here is an example of a polynomial. Now, let us try these exercises for you to remember those terms. You will just say if it is a coefficient, a variable, constant, or an exponent. You will also identify whether the given is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or a polynomial. Here is the first expression, xy squared plus 2. What do you call to the number 2 above y? It is called exponent. And what do you call this expression? It is a binomial. Next one is 7x cubed plus 8y minus z. What do you call to the number 7? It is called a coefficient. Now, what do you call to this expression that has three terms? It is called a trinomial. Our third given is 4a raised to 5, b cubed, c squared, d. What is b? It is called a variable. Now, what do you call to this expression that has only one term? It is monomial. And we are done for today's tutorial. You can also visit our Facebook page, The MathWiz, for more exercises.
Hello again, I am Obelus. Thanks for watching.